Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about a potential massive move on Strk. I see a clear bullish ascending accumulation channel forming on the charts. This is a huge signal because a breakout from this structure would confirm a 265-day range accumulation phase. When institutions spend that long accumulating, the next move is often explosive. For those who don't know, Strknet is a leaning Layer 2 solution for Ethereum, utilizing ZK rollups to bring massive scalability and low transaction fees, making it a fundamentally critical project. The technicals are now aligning with the strong fundamentals, and a breakout here could confirm a long-term bull trend. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.